Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Dorbin number 186A. This is a piece of, well, it's a piece of threshold. It's a piece of extruded aluminum with this fluted top, and this can be considered a threshold plate, however you might end up needing it. This can also be used in a greater system to build a ramp or some other sort of piece, but on its own it's called a threshold plate. This is literally just a sample piece, that's all it is. The 186 is representative of this profile. The A means that this is in the mill aluminum finish. The little scuff marks notwithstanding, that's not that's not what yours is going to look like, just for the video. 6.5 inch is the width. Pardon me. There's an image below this video, and it's 6 1/8. Okay, my eyes saw it wrong. 6 1/8 wide. The thickness is 1/4 inch. Okay. Where you're going to use this is anywhere where it's appropriate to have just a 1/4 inch plate. Very commonly, where you're going to have something like this installed is going to be an access door. You might have a restaurant, and you're going to take deliveries during those hours, and you need to have something down on the sill to give your door sweep or your automatic door bottom something to communicate with. But you don't want a lot of height. You don't want the carts and dollies that are coming in and out to have to contend with too much. A fluted top like this is very appropriate because something smooth would absolutely be quite slippery. So fluted top makes a lot of sense. If this was the genuine article, it would have a countersink in it, and screws would be included. And this is going to be listed in the website in all of the typical lengths, 2 foot out to 8 foot. You know, obviously 3 foot is common, 4 foot is common, 6 foot is common. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and simply indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. Now, the reasoning is a few reasons, I suppose. Not only will we cut it to length, if you have need for a 44 inch length, order a 4 foot piece. So you could probably order a 44 inch. But if you needed a 59 inch piece, order a 60 inch, indicate in the comment field what length you want it to be cut back to, and we'll not only cut it to length and give a nice factory edge on it, but we'll locate those countersinks at the proper distance from the edge. Not that it matters if you're taking 1 inch off, but if you were taking 6 inches off, if you needed a 42 inch and you happen to order 48, then you're going to eliminate that countersink. Then your centers won't be correct. You'll have to obviously drill the hole. And drilling a hole in aluminum is really not so much a challenge, but this is a fluted top. That might be a bit more of a challenge, but countersinking it is really where you'll be happy if the factory does it, because the screws that are included will be like a number 10 by 1.5 inch flathead screw. And you're going to want that flat-headed screw to sit in the countersink, because especially with a threshold like this, there's a lot of lateral movement over, the back and forth. Not only the people traffic, but the cart traffic that might be going over it. It's going to push that threshold like this, if I'm exaggerating it. Well, if the screw's not proper, or not properly fitted into the countersink, that's just going to work that fastener loose, and then you're going to be done with it. My opinion is order at the length you need. We'll put the countersink at the proper location. Use flathead machine screws, and then use lead anchors, because that will give you an installation that will be quite substantial. This is a nice piece of threshold because it's thick. Okay, it's something that's going to take some use, lots of use. Okay, it is common, however, that this will be undrilled for drilling in the field. So if we're going to drill this for you, which you would want us to, indicate that as well in the comment field. Let us know what you want to do. Okay, there is a link below this video, like I had said earlier, to the image showing the dimensional properties of this item. The 186 from Dorbin is also available in, forgive me, it's only available in the middle aluminum finish. It's not available in a dark bronze finish. There's a link below this video to the Dorbin manufacturer site in our website. From that page, you'll be able to not only review all the Dorbin items that we sell, but pull up the Dorbin catalog as well. Now that's very handy because it will show you all the different profiles of thresholds that Dorbin supplies. The thresholds and door sweeps and perimeter gasketing aside, it's a good catalog to have for that sort of reference. You'll likely need a threshold. Pardon me, you'll likely need something to go along with your threshold, like a door bottom, a door sweep, an automatic door bottom, perimeter gasketing. But if you ever have the need for bronze or zinc weather stripping for wood double hung windows, Dorbin is among a very short list of folks that supply that material. Bronze, weather stripping, V-cushion, spring bronze, interlocking for doors, and then again the bronze and zinc window weather stripping for the original double hung windows. Here in Chicago there are countless windows installed with that material, and you might bump into it someday. That's your resource for it right there. Okay. If you have any questions on the Dorbin number 186 threshold plate or any other Dorbin product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.